Treble, nice job. Make the most, guys, make the most. Oh, nice one, Robert. Good job, Brad. Newlands. Oh, little hole there. Watch it, David! Yeah. Let's go, Seagulls! Oh yeah, he does do that. Oh, up, up! Stay strong! Back on D! He doesn't lift it with colour. We take him on what he do. Yeah. Rebound. Nice job. It's so nice to have this today.
Good work, buddy.
I guess this is some of the first competition we've tasted yet.
Yeah.
In this, so we've got to adjust.
Good work, Noah.
Yes, buddy. Yes, buddy. Woo! Nice. You're a basketball mom now. You're so much more. Off. We could. I only took one car though. I might have to take Stella home. Drive till at home. Who's that? Nice job, guys. Oh, okay, yep. Yep. That's the big car. You get caught again. But maybe we can always just do a quick drop off and come straight.
Oh! Be careful, Gravity!
No, you can't.
Rebound!
Yes,
Good
Nixon!
work,
Oh, Nick! Woo-hoo-hoo! Good job! Finding a rhythm though, that's nice.
We need 16.
That's great.
Yeah, we've picked
Very
that.
good. In. Whoa, good one! Nice. That was nice looking. He reads the game well. Ah! That's nice. Go, Rowdy.
Go, Russ.
Nice job! Yes, Nixon! Woo! Yes, Nixon!
Great play!
Oh! Nice work.
Shoot, shoot, shoot!
That Rowdy. Yes, bud. Woo-hoo! Ah!
Damn.
It's looking nice. though.
Yeah.
Just bad luck. Alright, we started a bit slow there. We are down 21-16. Hopefully we can pull it together. Oh, Sue's away this weekend.
Teams on court, ready to go. Two referees, make sure it's 1 minute, not 2 minute break, 1 minute. Oh, what is a whipper? Oh, okay. Good one, Julie.
Okay. Nice rebounds. Good luck. Oh, we.
Oh, good move.
Oh, yes. Nice D, Netson. Nice D. Nice. Pick him up. Pick him up. Pick him up.
Rebound.
Good try. Keep on D. Keep on D. Oh, yeah. Oh, Nixon. Woo! Leaving a few holes for us, aren't they?
Good three, Nick.
Good one, Nixon! Yes, rebounds! Up, up, up! Oh, damn it. Somebody's going to break him. Yes, Rowan! Nice shot! Oh, bad luck, Jar! Bad luck! All good, mate! Just recover! 28 to them, 27 to us. Ties. Good work, Jar. Hands, Jar. Pass, nice. Pass, nice. Yeah! Good work, Noah. Oh, we're here. 30. Pick up your D, mate. Who is that? Oh. Not Ralph Noah. Who is that? Oh, tough. Animated. Okay. Okay, he's coming next. He's coming. Nice. Rowdy, stay on him, Rowdy. Stay on him, Rowdy. Stay tight. Good work, Rowdy. Yes. Break that.
It's on you.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Nice job. If in doubt, sit on him. That's all right, boys. Okay, nice shot. Whoa, yes, Rowdy. You sit. Okay, nice job. It's all right, you guys got this. Take it to the hoop, all the way. Yes,
Oh,
nice work. Slow mo. Hey, pick him up, pick him up, pick him up. Too much space.
try, Southbay.
Don't let him run. Finish. Okay, never mind. Good luck. Oh, we're missing Five. I think Five's still got concussion. Or his face stuff. Nice, Rowdy! Stick on him, mate. Too much room. Good work, good work. Can you get him off? Got to put some points on now. Nice, Rowdy! Stay on him, Noah! Rebounds! Rebounds! Yes, job! Stay on him! Nice work! Nice, G! Stay on him! Hands up! Next few slips. Oh, next. Bad luck. Nice, Rowdy! Oh, you missed that. What happened there? Oh, good, mate. I'll go mute. Oh, no, I can't. I can't. Sorry. Oh, goodness me. hole. Come on, Colin. We need Caleb. Go, Colin. Oh, good, Moses. Keep it up, bud. 39-44, so they've taken it away a little bit again. Alrighty. And one, we've got to practice those free throws next. We need Caleb. Come on, Caleb. Oh, that bounce. Bucket count. Yow. It's all good. We win by 2. They're going to be so annoyed. It's all right. Bad luck. 2. Hold on. Yeah, you have to. You tell them not to, you can't. Not give away points. It's the rules, bro. Nice. They're watching for you. Go next, go next, go next. Yes! Travel, bad luck. No, bad luck. Good fight. Get back on D. Stay on the ground. Some more. So Colin. Down the ground. Oh, Trevor, yes, yes. Whoa! No! Nice, Colin! Yes, good fight, Colin! Oh, nice pass. Nice pass. $41-40. Do it. Good try. Pick him up, Robert. Good job, good job. Get out of there.
Good work, Dawn.
Good, help him, help him! Oh, pick it up, Nora, yes! God, just... Nice, Nixon, nice, stay on him! Nice. Oh! That was bad luck. I don't have the chill for a game like this.
Yeah.
I need to take a Xanax or something. Okay, that was a foul on, I don't know, but... Right, Caleb, put Caleb on. He's a little one, but he shoots threes all day, man. We need a few threes. Oh, Nixon, through the hole, Nixon, nice! Nixon's having a blinder. What's that? What are these buttons? I don't know, they don't work anyway. I don't really know what the problem is. D! Good work, Ra. Good work. Stay on, Rubbery. Nice. Oh no. Elbow. Offensive. Damn it. Bad luck. 43-42 to them. We need some threes. Nice, Nixon. Pick him up. Up. Nice, Nixon. Tidy game. Spread. Good work, Nixon. Nixon's having a blinder.
You have got the sound on the phone.
No, that's only my mum's phone.
Oh, okay. Hello, Mama.
I'm crying. Not even for Noah.
That's pretty awesome too, though.
Oh, down, yeah.
Say Bernard, I think.
Oh, those guys are good.
Yeah,
I've
so
got
they
those.
go with those dreads. They played Bernard, Valley Hawks. Yeah. I think it's St. Bernard.
Oh, that's where the there's going to be a tournament hosted by St. Bernard, but I think we might be too slow or something. I can't handle. I'm not going to handle this thing either.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to
The
meditate.
next game is going to be way too
Got some lawyers or something. I might have to take my Yes, Caleb! Yeah, mate. Alright, this is going to be interesting with Nixon off. Stay on him, bud. Nice D, Caleb! Good job. Alright, what are we now? 45, 44. Nice, Rawati. Beautiful. Ah. Nice, Jar. Great rebounds. Rebounds, Jar. Oh, there's a little hole here. Rebounds! Up, Jar! Grab it! What was that?
Let's go, Southbay!
Rawati. In. Up. What was that? Hey, bad luck! It's alright. All good. Good work, Jar.
Just a friendly reminder to all, we are all here for a good time, not a second time. So it's time to get ready to stay positive so we can enjoy ourselves for Southbay.
Triple. Moses.
Friendly reminder to spectators, even if you're teams, if you're not playing right now, you should not be staying
Nice.
by
Oh.
the beach or anytime.
Nice, Rawati.
You can wait to the spectator area if you're not the coach, manager, or players.
Put it in. No rush. Shoot the three. Oh. Who was that on? 7. Bad luck. Oh. Up. Grab it.
Good work, Noah!
Hey, watch out. Watch the man. Up. D. Nice thing, Noah. Okay. Yes, Rawati. Oh. I thought he'd done enough to get out of it. Should get 3. How many minutes?
Go, Southbay!
Oh.
Good effort, Raj!
10, 11. Okay, your ball.
Right, dude.
Right. Nice, Moses. Nice. It was 11 again. Yeah, 2 or 11. I can't see that. 3 minutes to go. Hey, Moses. Yes, Moses. Shot, Moses. Nice. Something's on. Oh. Can't hear me. Can't hear me. Oh, bad luck, Noah! Nice D, come on, D, Moses, D! That's the game. 54, 40, yeah, okay. We're a bit ahead now. Rebounds, guys! Nice, Moses! Yes, Moses! Good job! Nice, Romany! Take it, Romany! Six on Noah. 54-49 to them. Nice pressure.
Let's go, Southbay!
Hands! Go!
Nice, Nick.
Up!
Good rebound!
Nice!
Get him, Rob!
56-49, and that's 26 seconds. They're not, and I'm assuming we're on running clock, so that's it. Lost there. But it was a battle. It was a good battle. Come on. Okay, Romany! Pass, Romany!
Go, run it!
Put it up, Ned! Put it up!
Oh, good play.
Good game, guys. Good game. And final score 57-49.